Dear listeners, I am Ashraf Javed Malik here. Our today's topic is what is the ecology, who are ecologists, and the role of ecology in our lives. Dear listeners, ecology is the study of the relationships between living organisms, including humans, and their physical environment. It seeks to understand the vital connections between plants and animals and the world around them. Ecology also provides information about the benefits of ecosystems and how we can use Earth's resources in ways that leave the environment healthy for future generations. Who are ecologists? Dear listeners, ecologists study these relationships among organisms and habitats of many different sizes, ranging from the study of microscopic bacteria growing in a fish tank to the complex interactions between the thousands of plant, animal, and other communities found in a desert. Ecologists also study many kinds of environments. For example, ecologists may study microbes living in the soil under your feet, or animals and plants in a rainforest or the ocean. Now, I'm going to tell the role of ecology in our lives. The many specialties within ecology, such as marine vegetation and statistical ecology, provides provide us with information to better understand the world around us. This information also can help us improve our environment, manage our natural resources, and protect human health. The following examples illustrate just a few of the ways that ecological knowledge has positively influenced our lives. In the 1960s, ecological research identified two of the major causes of poor water quality in lakes and streams: phosphorus and nitrogen, which were found in large amounts in laundry detergents and fertilizers. Provided with this information, citizens were able to take the necessary steps to help restore their communities, lakes, and streams, many of which are once again popular for fishing and swimming. Allah Hafiz. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe this channel.